In the Links project, we put together a historic city which face different situations but very similar problems to meet citizens' expectations. And we managed to propose very pragmatic approach thanks to the Urbact methodology.
Energy retrofitting of historic city centers is one possibility, maybe the best possibility we have to come out of the crisis that we are in, also from the economic point of view. It's going to generate jobs, it's going to generate innovation, it's going to improve quality of life of city centers and citizens. It is not about only the built environment, it's about participation of citizens and developing new solutions and new technologies for the next decades.
Alors ce projet, il a surtout répondu à une question. Bayonne est un centre ancien qui a fait l'objet de soins particuliers pendant 20 ans. Et la question se posait de donner à voir c'est bien, donner à vivre c'est mieux. Et il y avait une difficulté quand même pour conjuguer ce patrimoine qui a ses contraintes et une véritable valeur d'usage pour les habitants du siècle où nous sommes. Accessibilité, confort thermique, confort acoustique, mobilité. Et donc la question, elle s'est posée comme ça, elle était un peu iconoclaste. Et si les vieilles villes, si les anciens quartiers étaient les écoquartiers de demain. C'est l'origine de ce projet et on a eu la chance d'être suivis par de nombreuses villes. C'est le début de l'aventure de Links.
Our city has joined this network Links in order to learn and share experiences from other European municipalities that face the same challenge of rehabilitation of historical centers. So that we were looking forward to share our experiences and to identify innovative methodologies and tools that could help us to improve our integrated approach towards the rehabilitation of historic centers, tackling the main dimensions such as economic, social, environmental and cultural dimension.
We joined the network because we expect to improve our knowledge about heritage building and especially about green heritage building. We expect to improve in this field and also to create a framework of discussion between the heritage administration and also the green building administration. We thought then with the knowledge we get from the network, we can use it for the future to really improve in this field. And also we can dedicate more time to the Link project. With this project we have to do the ESLG, we have to do the local action plan, and all these tools will help you to improve in this area.
The involvement of our institution in the Links project was very important for Brașov city, because Brașov is one of the most important cities situated in the center of Romania, which has a built heritage that is the historical center of the city. For the historical center of the city, we need the rehabilitation of the historical buildings and the capitalization of it. This is the interest of our institution to take part in this project, together with the hope that we will find solutions and examples from other countries to implement it in our country. The expectations from this project for Brașov were exchanges of experience, also increasing the awareness of the population that owns the buildings, and also to the public administration. Taking part in the Urbact Links network was a challenge for our city to set up local challenges and solutions with the related knowledge in relationship with the European context, also for building local policies based on variety.
Abbiamo scelto di partecipare a questo progetto perché crediamo che questo scambio, questo percorso ci possa portare un grande salto di qualità nella consapevolezza dei temi che riguardano la cultura e lo sviluppo del nostro territorio. Il confronto tra le esperienze crediamo sia un grande strumento di crescita e quindi lo vogliamo sfruttare appieno. Abbiamo l'aspettativa di mettere in campo un progetto che possa riguardare il nostro centro storico, a cui teniamo molto e che crediamo sia al centro appunto dello sviluppo della nostra comunità e del nostro piccolo sistema economico. L'idea di affrontare con coraggio, con forza i cambiamenti e le innovazioni, in modo particolare nell'ambito dell'efficientamento energetico dei centri storici e delle strutture più antiche, in modo particolare Budrio ne ha molte nel proprio centro storico e c'è bisogno sicuramente di portare più efficienza, in particolare efficienza energetica da questo punto di vista.
Delft is a historic city with a strong interest in sustainable development, knowledge and innovation. The participation in the Links network made me realize that there is a high demand for retrofitting historic buildings. Nowadays, it seems more profitable to make new constructions and to leave the historic buildings abandoned. But this development has nothing to do with a truly sustainable development. This project showed interesting approaches to the development of historic city centers, and it strengthened our local network. So we want to continue this work together in order to create further knowledge and awareness on the development of the city center.
Kilkenny joined the network back in 2009 with an expectation of trying to consolidate the city centre. We have a very historic centre, and also to look at best practice in approaches in the eco-restoration of historic buildings in the city. The network has been very useful to us for many reasons, information sharing with the other partners and also looking at the possibilities of funding for our own pilot project. The contributions of Urbact and in particular of Links have been significant. In many ways, finding these answers and finding these solutions together has been a very good journey for us, and we feel at the end of this journey that we have now a good roadmap to present Kilkenny in a much stronger way into the future.
The topic is very interesting. It responds to current needs, and also it is in the interest of our municipality. The historic center of Veria suffers from a lot of problems, and we thought that it is an opportunity, a great opportunity, to collaborate with European cities in order to produce a plan for its preservation and sustainable development. The results were beyond our expectations. Most important was the fact that we created the ULSG, which means elected persons, stakeholders, professionals, experts, and officials. We had all to work together and find solutions to our problems. Urbact gave us the tools and the methodology for an integrated approach. But most important for me, it was the sense that I was a member of a family, a European family, where we all work together for the benefit of our cities.
Je suis contente d'avoir l'occasion de remercier très vivement l'ensemble des partenaires qui nous ont accompagnés, parce que ça a été un moment d'échange, un moment précieux. Ils y ont mis conviction, dynamisme, et voilà, c'est un peu la fin du projet, c'est un côté un peu triste. Je pense que les liens resteront solides quand même entre nous, et merci à eux et du fond du cœur.
Diálogo y colaboración nos ayudan a encontrar soluciones sostenibles.
Je voudrais remercier tous les participants du projet Links pour leur sympathie et tout ce qu'ils nous ont appris.
Participarea la proiectul Links a reprezentat un obiectiv important pentru orașul Brașov, deoarece unul dintre obiectivele noastre este acela de a păstra patrimoniul cultural construit și de a asigura un trai mai bun oamenilor din centrul istoric.
Il mio saluto a nome dell'amministrazione comunale di Budrio e anche della comunità di Budrio a tutti coloro che hanno partecipato e realizzato questo progetto, questo lungo percorso di confronto tra i comuni, e con il miglior augurio di buon lavoro per magari un proseguimento ancora nel futuro con tante idee e tanti spunti da mettere a disposizione dei nostri comuni.
Het was een leuke en interessante ervaring om in dit project samen te werken en ik hoop iedereen zeker nog een keer terug te zien, of in Delft, of misschien ergens anders in Europa.
Buin amid agus buin an cahar Kilcunnig a lán rud as Links agus bearbua leis an obair.
Το ιστορικό κέντρο της Βέρειας μπορεί να αποτελέσει ευκαιρία για ανάπτυξη.
Let's retrofit our way out of recession.